About to complete level 2 without losing a single life. Hope I can do this. Ah. 1 life down. Lost 1 life. Okay. Oh. Level 3. So, I'm back to level 3. Let's see. What the heck? My star friends, they don't come. You saw my last video, my star friends. Nobody likes my kitty anymore. Whee! Well, last time this happened, I died. Except I did get a lot of coins. Kitty cat! Kitty cat! Kitty cat! Well. Ah. Yeah, I'm not really in them. I might come back and do this level again, since I'm not really half awake. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. What's going on here? Ha! They come! They come, Nathan and Leaf! Yay! They come back for me. They like me. They do. Okay, so I forget exactly what I have to do here. Oh, I remember. Don't touch the green thing. Whee! Well, that looks like a pretty long fall. Cannonball! He needs to lose weight. He's making the floor collapse. He does need to lose weight. Fatty. I will get you, my pretty, before you fall. I'm so cool, I'm a star with sunglasses. Well, yeah, I'm a sun with sunglasses. Ooh. Oh god. Oh god, don't touch it. I see. I'm rich! I'm dead, but I'm rich! Nobody takes my fortune. Nobody. Meow. Yum 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 yum. It's Catman. Yum 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 Catman. Whee! I have never been here before. I love you. Come see me. Yeah, you have spikes on your head. I don't think I should touch you. What? With a magical pencil. It goes vroom vroom in the night. No, how are you? No. I don't like magical pencil anymore. Hey, he's my new best friend, Matt. Oh, no, no, no. He is not my new best friend. Ah! Fatty. Bitch. just gonna throw me over the edge. I thought we had something more than that. Okay. Earlier I thought there were suicide bombers. Now there are suicide bombers. Or at least bombers. Boxman. Yeah. Ah! Boxman. Okay. Jump with me. Jump! Jumping party! No, you don't jump with me. Ah! Ha! What? Why don't you send me to heaven with all the coins and stuff? Ah! Magical pencils everywhere, good for drawing. What was I doing? Ah! It's the magical pencil song. Yeah, I started off with 0 lives. Now I have even more less lives. You look angry when you jump. And you look sad when you die. I would be sad if I died too. I'm not so sad when you die. You die too much. Whee! There used to be a boxman there, and he would throw me. He would throw me so far. Level 3 complete. Ba-na-na-na-na-na. Bowser's Castle. Or not Bowser's Castle, because Kitty Bowser. Lion's Castle. Lion's Castle! Part 3 is complete. Meow. Speedrun this. Whoa. See.